Hello everybody, and today I'm just going to be giving you a very quick update on the progress of my grow lights that I've got up here in the garden. This grow light here is over a propagator. Now it's a heated propagator. I'm just going to take the lid off, and this is where I start all of my seeds. The heat under the roots gives them a little bit of a head start. So in here I've got quite a lot of stuff really. Cucumbers, parsnips, echiums, sunflowers, peppers, little mini cucumbers over the back there, and it's all doing well. You can see some are coming up, the parsnips are coming up, and anyway, once things start to grow in this heated propagator, I take them out and I put them over in this area, which is like sort of unheated really. And there's another grow light just there, and there are the plants coming on really nicely. What we got? We got yellow tomatoes, we got mint, parsley, chilies, black-eyed Susans, castor oil plants, sunflowers. Yeah, it's doing really well, really well. Can't put anything out yet because we're still getting a frost, and you know, you got all this work, I don't want to lose them. So anyway, that's it for now guys. Don't forget, please subscribe to my channel, give me a like, give me a share if you've got time, that would be really great. And thank you so much for helping me on my channel, and yeah, I'll see you all again next time. Bye for now.